Okay, first of all, throughout the game, referee no got some of the calls no wrong.
And here, first of all,
and it was in favor of Kotoko.
Okay.
Michelle game in 90 minutes at our stadium. Did kind of say referee made a lot of calls, not to me, not a year wrong, and majority of them were in favor of Kotoko.
Okay.
Now, Rich, because of some impression and a referee create with me, Emma penalty no, I knew Obeji. Minister, I make what I say. Wako stadium na ocean ball. Na ball na ocean. Majority of the referee no. This is all take care only in no. In favor of Kotoko. And when the incident we see I knew referee no. Na Obeji penalty na Kotoko. But Rich, with that said, Bono Babrantianensa. Bono, Ebo Bechem defender Nensa.
Go as all the team, Pembo every 18 him.
Dear me, we time across neighbor box in him. Rich, I think he said Bechem defender no. He miscalculated the ball. And now I hear say a ball bet me in the TI day.
Abo.
I had Yako. Before he knew, no one ever below the Tina Watono. It's not a was a compromising or blocking one in a way. And a born a born inside. Medical catcher say throughout the game, the real referee Eddie Bono, Rich, not Omano any opportunity to take any decision for Kotoko that he was going to take it. And he took it. That is my professional explanation. Makes me Eddie amount. The referee throughout the game made some bad calls, and majority of them were in favor of Kotoko. And you could clearly see, boy, I'm here. Impressor referee Ketama say Kotoko Nyabibio Obeje. Then the Bechem guy miscalculated the ball, or missing with the head, tried to block it and born inside. With referee they don't know see conducting on the pitch. I knew say the Bechem guy has given him an opportunity to make the call, and he made it against them. And OG penalty in Rich.
Kofi, also Brian, I'm into Kakrana into coaches' reactions no.
Me a very sad second to go drop a point this weekend. I think the way season economy. And yet, given how difficult the season can go on and be, to go dropping points, now me are very, very worried. But I think they say what should be Bechem and how they play. Now you expect say game and you're be easy cry.
You bet the game now and can come on, but penalty no. Any probably bracing
for me, maybe penalty or inconclusive at best.
Inconclusive,
yeah. From where I sit,
okay,
because most of the videos are matched on amateur videos. This is the clearest of the videos are matched. It means shows in Kofi we can share clear video say. Into what share very very clear video. Now feed why your judgment. From baby I met this here and say Jeff every pretty video now I'm here. Like Ayala is saying, defender ni come misjudging the flight of the ball, trying to nitibe him.
The who answer ball na benensa.
In fact, Osha video look here, I think c'est bon ça. C'est Jeff a pause one man, I think he can pause. But you flight them Messi player ni tia or pause one man, you can see that about player and ça. But we a fan, a very inconclusive to you because you are not close to it. But the referee, no, you're very close to the action and not calling for it. But then the way our videos need to go about saying a little bit.
Because my video am I no.
Yeah.
Social media no clear.
And there was a perception. Say as a referee, say referee na Aji ball na Kotoko like we mu e dey Kotoko.
And say we tell the Ayala kana.
Yeah.
Most of the decisions ni na call them Kotoko.
Yeah.
And for instance, e bia we Bechem support na bia udi team na chi na ba ya. Sa penalty the only thing about team as say kind. Because referee no as the decision bia oje the Kotoko.
Yeah, exactly.
And I mean me say sanya video ya video ama hwe ni na encha na nya clear as a nipa na to no ho bi na born on jana hu baby pote pa born. And I think video am now we are very very clear and oba onso betumi aba ba bi na ina na dia to so e dia ma yentie coach Prosper na te ogun why also Kotoko entimi win the game no.
I think we look slow today. I don't know whether it's a result of fatigue. But then before the game, we had engaged them, and then they were all okay. Physically, mentally, they were all okay. But then if you look at their movements today, that wasn't the typical movements of the players. And again, too, I think today we were not able to control the middle of the park as usual. So that put some sort of pressure on us in the middle of the park. So to me, I think these were the two things that actually didn't go well.
Okay, and the coach said the current time Kotoko to me answer. Osana and Ranten no slow. Very, very slow. Also Kotoko no Okochu and you say no bombo. No me slow pa, and especially in the midfielders no almost me and take you full control of the midfield and my Bechem for no 8 me far and no can be. And the mark go me enya the 3 maximum points, you know. Now fans ni bi amunya kwan kwetwe game no. So after the game, semni.
As a striker, we never know what you about. And I get to know, you do what they buy. Say you put your say, only one who say, and young boy, Africa. The dreams last season, dreams. For semi-final, dreams about that for the final.
Coach on the mobile league or the first. Still the first.
Oh, I can't catch the sea before.
Enti Kotoko fans are omunya kwan kwhwe game ni bi eno no almost say enra de na Kotoko game no eni suro kra especially nim ho no ball no egura 18 about man hwan na ebo ball no dia toto no ene ade ba ko ha Kotoko yi pa House of Folk and so ball draw coach Abubakar Watara ono senti no.
I think we play at this stadium, but it's not easy for us because of some things I don't want to say here. But when we are playing football, we think we didn't need the handball people here. We play football. Football is the high level, is the physical contact. But no, that's the one. But I think the game is not bad. The two teams try his best and we get 1 point.
Talking about the two teams trying their best, are you impressed with your boys' performance today?
Yes, me. Every time I'm impressed because I tell them we can score. We create some chances, but no problem. That the opponent also do well in defense. He defending well, and the midfielder we do our best. Everybody.
Okay, and the coach, our Kawatara and Sudiano no so on the. Yes, of course, and Coco pay win the about draw no. Or did he say, answer, Obacas and Ranton, dear. So Mutimikonya, that, 1 point away. Because I did not, vision for Nisi Casano on the Bobon and Ranton Abaso. So Mutimi, 1 point, the free again. Now, Vision FC, I'm coach and an Arjaman. I don't solve the game.
Are you excited with the results?
No, I'm not. We had a game plan, and the game plan could have worked easily. We created more chances than Hearts of Folk. We should have taken the chances. We didn't. Hearts came into this game with only one game plan to play route one, try to win the first and second ball, get into the attacking phase 3 as quickly as possible, which they succeeded with in the first half. One of those long balls resulted in the confusion. We crashed ourselves. They got that goal, but we dominated the game. We played through the phases. We got into their phase 4.
Okay, Nana Jamano, no. I say I know the result no. Nani answer that because game no person winning and Ubi or bar parking should be no. When the game plan them rant and the ball no boy no. Now omu deserve so omu timi winning ASR game we. Now House of Folk fans and so kakrom so the two journey na and starting the games in home come on.
Yeah, funny for say Kotoko about draw no. Now say winning, they close points with 2 points and then 3 points. And yes, about draw with vision out of a new town. And yet, you see, your coach need change and I'm a foreign position. You any problem be about any striker. Your problem is you need striker. You need number 9, kind of 9. So, who him Droba? When Droba to me that defenders, no at the ball, no the amount.
Okay, the session of the House of fans and so after the game, I'm some of the two that I don't know. And I also would say two teams in the Kotoko and Hasi now. Fans and some more can I say the way can I be now in Soka. Strikers or Mintimisha goes.
You see, Rich. I am say after Albert Amwa, a free injury buyer. Any Kotoko recruitment in buying Minta. Any this guy Samson Edukuno.
Yeah.
And there's some pressure beyond at Ogum so. And he getting some decisions wrong. From me opinions, I'm going Kotoko matches. Why Kotoko last by 4 or 5 games? I'm winning 1-0 against Basake, 1-0 against Bechem Chelsea, 1-1 against Heart of Lions, 1-1 against Bechem. Rich, social games in the prior year. Defensively, Kotoko ni problem. But from the midfield to attack, I think say Ogum must have a careful watch the decisions I will take. Maybe catch yourself in the Heart of Lions game. Minim the entire Ogum has taken with the 2 strikers till the end of the game when they were being dominated in midfield by Bashir Hayford. And no game na me share. Rich, se sana Kotoko babo dia. Then team biye be share Kotoko. Onya emma numbers wo in Fifi wa. No place near young mu ebetimi atu America. They will run Kotoko over. And no Kotoko bo in team menu Blay and a Baba Yaya as number 10. Now, minim the Emma Ogum eteki decision rich. Oyi Baba Yaya. And what is some city to Kubai? And at a point, Kotoko had Samson Eduku. This youngster, Peter Amidu Aqua. Then the 2 strikers. Into 4-2-4. With Intimenu. Any Blay. Then later, na wayi Peter Amidu akwa fimu. Na ode Mintamwaba. Then oyi Kwame Poku. And after me who said, oh yes, some changes be. But my problem ni, Rich. Time na oyi Blay no. Or the thing they do ne buy. But you could clearly see say, time no. What Kotoko needed was not a Tenedu type of midfielder. Kotoko needed a number 10 to supply the strikers now. Or do you go anymore? Say ope go ope cannot no. And see, was Emmanuel Entry on the bench or not? Because baby and a game they do no. Me jitum Emmanuel Entry saw the situations. I said, now saying, and to quantity binti ama Kotoko bo no crano. But Rich, Ogum is getting some petty, and no may be wrong. And Mamika says some way. Kotoko players no more no. Ebiana they don't know. And that prosper Ogum. Kotoko to me promote 12 players, 14 players. Players he bought just the season before. And yes, Ogum I get some tactics be wrong. The decisions be. But Rich, say who your players also. And for 2-3 months that say Kotoko ntimi nya okwan because Nansia no Koto. Sauba na coach ni ma opportunity. Na untimi ma. This kind Kotoko team. Open so na dey Rich. If they justify to team for say Nana yesraw. You be catch us see a pesca to player way. Omo buy no omo modi mo nso ani. Otu for us always agreed say obi ba na se ball na mo be so bodo. Ontimi ma e me ara bi sika toy mo ma ne nko. even though we will have problem to criticize Omo Omubaye, and then who here and the ends will justify the means. But Kotoko have never shied away from taking decisions to sack players they brought in. Nancy, and see, a dukumuni wa Rich. Every minute to be a demo mobiano. We'll go into the final output of whether Yampamomo and Asam Yampamomo, and they should be very, very careful. Bono, you don't see his impact. Minta is trying to do something, but in fact, I don't know all of a sudden where the form of Kabi Poku Atiko and Abetabakwa, you would understand. Say injury, I feel no back. Rich, with all this said, Yamo Bechem for Nabaso. They played very, very well. Even though I go to Baba Sports Stadium and Kotoko home, but Rich, I watch the opponent too. And if they play very well, I will come and say it. They have a very good team. Team full of youngsters. I'm running 90 minutes. They have a very, very good coach. They play so well. Bechem for the deserve it, say, and call with a 0 point. And at least, though the penalty was controversial, now they deserve to get something away from the game, and they got it. Bechem really gave a very good account of themselves. Now, me catch on Saturday, you know. Say game way, Kotoko should be careful. Because Assassino and Kotoko Assassino have come to love Bechem too much. And when we rested me who to make a channel. Say chum, boy, boy was studying way. Me Nisa Kotoko Betima Bechem. Or say then I'm so my papa be bredo. A bad day at the mom. Look, vision for the press on over the man has. Rich, not pressure you too much. The pressure was just too much. And you could feel it with the way I have no. Look, Metisena Operado, Saturday, one voice no see you, Tim Bien to me in a house. But Rich, it wasn't about them no. It was about us feeling calm to play vision. And Bona has never felt calm. It was as if say, Obi article senses. Now so chin answer. And when you do that, it will be a psychologically, it will not be a good place. Look, what will vision go on here? Will you blame Benjamin Asare?
Not baby, sir.
But what is that? Gatuso Busa Watara so he will deal with that in the dressing room. Rich, I think that Vision have done a very, very good job. They hyped the game, they got their supporters, and they made sure say they didn't lose. Because Ankasame, Kiafra Baginda Kran can say Massa. Uja no munyinano, and no man koye Rich. It was Uche baby a league log nini baby a normal Korea. It wasn't a good result for Kotoko. It wasn't a good result for Team FN Accra House of Folk. Baby only got their win against Young Apostles, and it has given them a certain leverage.
I mean, this year league name they are 47. And BB.
That's how they also 3 points if that baby. If I come,
I said when the make but this year they only 47. Whatever happens, Kotoko would have to win their games. Yes, another season without a league title. But this year, own journey training the NHS. Watch a papa because the best snack on the market snacker will be a DB. The biggest Gary make.